Hi, I'm Christy and welcome to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make pasta with carbonara sauce.
Put the pasta in boiling water. Cook it for 7 minutes. Prepare your pan. Set the flame in a low heat. We are going to make a white roux. Add 1/8 cup butter cut into small cubes. When the butter is half melted, add 1/8 cup of flour. Roux is 1 part butter and 1 part flour. Mix it well until well combined. This is the consistency of roux. For carbonara sauce, we need 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 medium can of sliced mushroom, 250 to 500 grams of bacon cut into squares, 1 cup grated cheese, 1 cup fresh milk, 250 ml all-purpose cream, roux, salt and pepper to taste. Prepare your pan. Set the flame in a medium to high heat. Rendering bacon fat, fry the bacon until golden brown and crispy. Set it aside. Using the fat from bacon, sauté the garlic. Add the mushrooms. Add the salt, but add it gradually. Add white pepper. Add half a cup of pasta water and let it boil. Add fresh milk. Add grated cheese. Put a few tablespoons of milk mixture to your roux. Mix it well. Add the roux mixture to your milk and mix it well. Add all-purpose cream and let it simmer. When you see a thin layer of sauce to your bamboo or wooden spoon, taste your sauce. If it is well seasoned, you may add salt according to your taste. Turn off the heat. Add pasta after cooking directly to your sauce. Add the bacon. Pasta with carbonara sauce.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.